Thanks for joining us on our review of Bainland Lodge Retreat.
This amazing dog-friendly lodge sleeps up to 24 guests in 12 ensuite bedrooms, featuring a 10-metre outdoor heated swimming pool and private tennis court ideal for large groups of family and friends.
Custom designed to offer the ultimate space for family gatherings and celebrations, the English Garden Villa is a luxurious retreat in the Lincolnshire countryside.
We had a fantastic stay at the lodge celebrating a 50th birthday party.
A fantastic outdoor courtyard is the highlight of the villa. At the centre of this space is a 10 by 5 metre heated swimming pool, perfect for any weather. It's fitted with a retractable cover that glides back at the touch of a button, and there's also 2 8-seater hot tubs, multiple seating areas, outdoor dining tables, a huge fire pit for family barbecues, and English Garden Villa also boasts its own private tennis court.
So let us give you a quick tour starting from outside. Heading towards the main entrance, you're greeted with a large bulldog statue resembling Churchill.
Upon entering the lodge, there's a large porch area, ideal to hang your coats and place your shoes. There are 12 exquisitely designed bedrooms, 6 in each of the 2 wings of the villa, and 12 luxurious ensuite shower rooms too.
Each bedroom has a 55-inch smart TV, and the decor is inspired by the wildlife found at the complex, and each room has a map of Lincolnshire. The ensuite bedrooms are very modern and have complimentary toiletries, and each has a walk-in rainfall shower.
So from the main lobby entering the living room, you have a games area with an arcade featuring classic games from the 80s and 90s. And also a 9-foot American pool table. At the heart of the villa is a huge open plan living space with 85-inch TV, specially commissioned furniture including a bespoke 6.5 metre sofa and a 7 metre dining room table, enough to host all 24 guests.
There is a generous sized kitchen filled with all the equipment needed to cater for a house full of guests. There's quiet spaces around too. There is a library stocked with books and games and clever seating areas away from the hustle and bustle of the main living room.
Leading outside, you have plenty of seating for outdoor dining and chilling. You also have a large fire pit ideal for barbecues and even relaxing watching the stars. You also have 2 large 8-seater hot tubs ideal for soaking the muscles. However, the main attraction is the 10.5 metre heated swimming pool with a retractable cover. As you can see, the kids definitely made the most of it during their stay.
Mavic.
The resort has lots to offer, from woodland walks and cycle paths to more competitive activities such as archery, mini Land Rovers, tennis and its own climbing wall. There's also an on-site gym, pool, shop, restaurant and bar.
Thanks for watching, and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please check out our other lodge reviews.